Silueta as Isaiah Orihara, both from Duran.
Kiss na yan, kiss!
Cosplayer number 36, come up on stage, Miss Hannah Grace Espiritu, at Haruna Sakura from Naruto.
Basta kapag napanood mo yung Duran na malalaman mo kung bakit gano'n, no? Nabigay ko na ba yun sa'yo? Wala pa, no? Nakakaawa.
Cosplayer number 37, we have Fernan Estologa as Light Yagami from Death Note.
Go! Wait, hindi nga!
My name is Light Yagami. I'm just a simple student until I found the deadliest homicide weapon in the world, known as Death Note. No one, even I, knew that it will change me and the rotten world where I live.
Nangyari sa'yo!
It tasted the power to eliminate useless humans and build the fresh new world. With this, I will build the new world. So be ready, and you will all see. I can write your destiny.
Okay, cosplayer number 38. Are you around? Cosplayer number 38. Wala. Okay, to move on. Cosplayer number 39. We have Maven Ong as Black Rock Shooter, number 39. And number 40, we have Joseph Esteban as Black Rock Shooter Kaito.
Kaya pala kanina na ikaw rin yung
number 41, we have Yuri Hagonoy as Rihanna Etchizin. Prince of Tennis.
Sige, tapusin mo rin. Ako pa na para sumubra yung panahon ng sala ko eh. Sabantalin nyo na. Kasi nadala ako. Walang. Ito kay battery.